Welcome friends. This is the answers explaining section of for task 3 questions. I have already discussed some of the answers for some of the task 3 questions. One question I have left it. That question will be discussed here. Okay. This is that question which is from our topic fluid mechanics. The question is kinematic viscosity of air at 20 degrees Celsius is given to be 1.6 into 10 power minus 5 meter square per second. Its viscosity at 70 degrees Celsius will be varying approximately dash. Before entering into this question, first of all, we should know the relationship between viscosity and temperature. Normally, in case of liquids, if we increase the temperature, viscosity will be decreases. But in case of gases, viscosity increases if we increase temperature. The that is the relationship, the reason behind it. First of all, in case of liquids, normally there will be randomness of motion of molecules in a water. If we increase temperature, the space or gap between the molecules will be increasing, due to which the viscosity will be decreases. In contrast to liquids, in case of gases, normally there will be a more space between a gas molecules in normal atmosphere. If the temperature increases, its motion of randomness will be increases, due to which viscosity will be increases. Therefore, in this question, our answer must be greater than the given 1.6 into 10 power minus 5 meter square per second. Therefore, our option will be either option A or option D. Option D definitely not possible. It is double the value of given value. It is not possible. Therefore, our correct option will be option A. Therefore, our answer is 2.2 to 10 power minus 5 meter square per second. That's it. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to receive questions daily. Thank you.